The third unit is basically VI editor. What do you mean by VI editor? VI editor is a visual editor. This is a powerful text editor widely used in Unix as well as Linux system. This presentation or this PPT is made to cover up the features, modes, and text manipulation technique that has been used in VI editor. First one is, let's just consider what is the history of VI editor. The VI editor was basically found in 1970 by Bill Joyce. Since it became the standard text editing, or it came into demand because of its simplicity and efficiency that it get in today's programmers technical world. And the key features of VI editor is basically VI editor provide us the features such as model editing, syntax highlighting, and customization option. This will basically improve up the efficiency and speed of while writing up the code and while doing up the code. This it will increase your efficiency as well as speed. Understanding the mode, there are basically three modes that has been studied in Viator. First one is normal mode or default mode. Second one is insert mode, and third one is visual mode. Each mode serves a specific purpose, allowing user to navigate, edit, and manipulate the text effectively. Understanding these modes is crucial for efficient to use. Means that there are three type of mode. First one is normal. Some of the student knows this as a default mode. Second one is insert mode, and third one is visual mode. What do you mean by normal mode? Normal mode, user can navigate through the text and execute the command without altering the text. It means that in this the navigation is possible without altering the text. It is the default mode of the opening file, and yourself with the mode is essential in mastering VI. Second one is insert mode. To enter from the default mode to the VI mode, can basically have to press I to enter into the insert mode. And for exacting, we have to press up the ESC button that will take us to the default mode. And third one is visual mode functionality. The visual mode, you can select and manipulate the text. It enable operations such as copying, cutting, and pasting that will done into the visual form of mode. Let us cover the topic according to the syllabus. What is the basic feature of the VI editor? It is lightweight and available by default on the most of the Unix and Linux system. This is the basic feature of VI editor. Support both the command mode and insert mode, powerful text editing and navigation capabilities. It have efficient keyboard-based interaction. Mode of execution in VI editor, as I have told, there are three mode of execution that has been studies in VR data. First one is command mode, second one is insert mode, and third one is visual mode. First one is basically to allow you to enter the command such as to save of the text, to quit from the text, to search out the particular thing, to delete anything. Insert mode allow us to the entry of the text and editing of the text, and the third one is enable the text selection to copy, cut, or use another type of operation that has been not done in the further two of the modes. Command for creating, saving, and quitting of the file. To create of the file, just you have to use this code vi, then write down your file name. It will create up the file. Save a file, the double colon w, it will save up the file. To save and quit of the file, double colon wq. W is used for save and q is used for quit. This will save and quit up your particular file or the text. Quit without saving, just double colon q, that will quit without saving up the changes. Cursor movement of the command. H is used to move down left into the text. L is used to move down the right. J is used to move down. K is used to move up, and W is used to move to the beginning of the next word. Move to the beginning of the next word means that the next word which going to be displayed, it will take you to the beginning of that particular word. And the small b is basically used or take to move to the beginning of the previous word that you have studied. It will take you to the beginning of that particular word. And zero is used to zero or o sorry o is used to move to the beginning of the line. Dollar is used to move to the end of the line. Capital J is used to take you to the end of the file, and double G is used to move to the beginning of the file. text insertion command to insert before the cursor. If you want to insert any text before the cursor, just press small I. If you want to insert anything at the beginning of the line, just press capital I. If you want to append anything after the cursor, press small a. Append anything at the end of the line, press up the capital A. If you want to open a new line below the cursor, just press up small o. After that, if you want to open a new file above the cursor, just press capital O. Changing and replacing the text, change text until the end of the word. If you want to change the text until the end of that word, particular word, that will you have to just use of the command cw. Change the entire line. If you want to change up the entire line, use the command cc. Replace a single character. If you want to replace a single character, press a small r, then the character which you want to replace. And if you want to replace the multiple characters, you press capital R, and then to enter replace multiple characters, just press capital R, then the character which you want to replace, and then it will take you to the replace mode. Deleting of the text, to delete up the character, just press small x. To delete up the current file, press double D. To delete from the cursor at the end of the line, press capital D. Delete, if you want to delete a particular word, just press DW. DW is basically a small used to delete a particular word. If you were to search something, this is basically used to search in a pattern form of just do or use the command, just use the command slash pattern. It will search the forward for a search the forward for a pattern. If you want to search backward for a pattern, just press question mark, then pattern. Repeat the search in the same direction. If you want to repeat the search in the same direction, press small n. If you want to repeat the search in opposite direction, press up the capital N. The next thing that you have to study is basically pattern matching in the text. Pattern matching involves using regular expression, rejects, or a specific rule to find out the sequences between the text file. Common tools include in this bus one is grep command, sed command, awk in Linux. Uh, I usually had studied only this command. मुझे तो बस ये था grep command. Find the line containing the word. Grep, then particular word which you want to search, or find the line which you want to take, then file.txt. It will uh, display the line that is containing the particular word. Match all the digit. Grep command, double inverted comma, then 0 to 9 file.text. It will give out the line which contains 0 to 9 digit. Match the pattern with sed. I haven't studied these two commands. And the next one is opposite for the set command in vim. The set command in vim configures various setting. Common set option, display the line number, double colon, set the number, turn off the line number, double inverter, set no number. Enable up the syntax highlighting. If you want to highlight up the syntax, double inverter, set syntax is equal to on. It will highlight upon, it will enable the highlighting of the text. So matching parentheses and brackets, parenthesis and bracket. If you want to show up the matching that contain parentheses and brackets, set so match. These are the command that you have to use to do particular things, such as convert the tab to spaces, double colon, set, expand tab, that will convert the tab into spaces. Enable the search highlighting. If you want to search anything, set HL search, that will search up the highlighting. Writing, compiling, and running a C program on a Linux. There are following step that you have to follow to compile a C program in that particular Linux. Open a terminal and use the text editor like nano or vim to create a C file. For example, you have used vim hello.c. Then the second step, write out the simple C program. Here the program is done to print out the particular word, that is a hello word. So save and exit the editor by WQ. First you write out the program, then save out that particular text by exiting and saving up in BIM. और जो spray CTRL plus O or CTRL plus X in nano. Step 3, compile the save program. Use GCC compiler. If you want for compiling of that particular C program, you have to use this particular command, that is GCC hello.c slash o hello. This command create the executable file named hello. This will create a file that named as hello. Fourth, to run that executable file, basically dot slash hello, that will run out the hello file. You would see that the hello after, if you want to see the output, this will be displayed hello comma world. Common GCC option, GCC slash G hello command enable debugging information. If you want to see the information, just use this command. So all the warning, if you want to see the warning that has been used while C programming, use this type of command. Or optimize code, if you want to optimize of the code, use this command. So yeah.